Hey everyone, welcome back to Quizify Arena. Before this video ends, your brain will either feel proud or embarrassed. These are 15 riddles, each one get harder than the last. Most of the people quit after riddle number 10. You'll get 10 seconds per riddle, no pauses, no cheating. Riddle number 1 starts now. What has to be broken before you can use it? And the right answer is an egg. Still warming up? What has hands but can't clap? And the right answer is a clock. This one sounds easy. Don't rush, guys. What gets wetter the more it dries? And the right answer is a towel. Think about time. I am tall when I am young and short when I am old. And the right answer is a candle. Last easy one. What has many teeth but can't bite? Yes, the answer is a comb. Okay, difficulty just went up. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have nobody but I come alive with visceries and echo. This one tricks a lot of people. The more you take, the more you leave behind. Yes, the answer is footsteps. Don't overthink it. I have keys but no locks. Space but no room. Who am I? Yes, it's keyboard. What has one eye but can't see? Yes, the right answer is a needle. Most people fail here, guys. Just take care. What can travel around the world while staying in one place? It's a stamp. Hard mode starts now. What has a head, a tail, but nobody? Yes, it's a coin. What has a ring, but no finger? We use it daily, guys. It's a phone. This one needs logic. I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. Who am I? Yes, it's a barber. Only a few gets this. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? Yes, the right answer is the letter M. Last riddle, don't rush, guys. What runs but never walks, has a mouth but never talks? Yes, the right answer is a river. So, how many did you really get right? Comment your score, and if you survived till the end, that subscribe button is calling you. Thank you, guys. See you in the next quiz. Bye bye.